Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching this video today. My name is Nick Bentley. I'm the managing partner here at Bentley Capital Ventures, and today we're going to talk about a specific type of financial product called business revenue lending. Business revenue lending is used for a quick capital cash infusion into the business, usually within 2 to 3 business days. It is for people who have been turned away by the banks, either for any of the reasons that banks turn people away, personal credit, P&L, balance sheets, whatever the case may be. There's only one type of collateral that is used for a business revenue lender or a business revenue loan, and that is cash deposits. Okay, the only thing that lenders care about when it comes to this type of loan is how much money are you generating each month. So Besides that, the minimum, you need to be generating more than $10,000 in business bank deposits each month, and that can be coming from checks or from processing statements that are batched in. And you have to be in business for more than 6 months. So, business revenue, the type of product business revenue lending is a short-term loan. It's designed to help business owners who are in a pinch. And who need a quick cash infusion. So you can see here some of the benefits. It's a 48-hour turnaround. It does build your business credit. So as you pay on these loans, it is going to be reporting to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. So also loans unsecured. The loans go from a starter loan from $2,000 anywhere from up to $250,000. So let's talk about how much you're going to get paid with personal credit. Now, a lot of banks, a lot of brokers, a lot of professionals will tell you that personal credit doesn't matter, and that is true. You can get approved for a business revenue loan regardless of your personal credit, but here is where it does come into effect. Okay, if you have bad credit, let's say you have 500 credit. You're looking at getting anywhere from 40 to 60% of your bank deposits, okay? If you have anywhere from 600 to 700, you're going to be getting anywhere from 55 to 70% of your deposits. If you have over 700 credit, you can get anywhere from 80 to 100% of your deposits, okay? Now, it is the closest type of no-doc loan that exists out there, okay? The only thing that is required is an application and 3 months bank statements. If you do take credit cards, they're also going to require three statements of your processing. So, literally within just a few short minutes of you filling out a one-page app, getting the docs over, I can have answers for you within just a few short hours, and at least you can have a business decision. So, one of the other things to keep in mind is they do like to see monthly transactions. I know right here it says over 15. That's probably a little bit more on the conservative side. They basically just want to see that over the course of time that you're consistently generating deposits. I know a lot of you guys are only doing 5, 6, 7 deposits in the $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 range, whatever it may be. So as long as it makes sense, the goal here is for the lender to be comfortable by giving you the loan, right? Just making sure that you're an attractive lending risk. So there are a couple different ways that the loan's paid back. It's either fixed interest, fixed payments, or they can take a certain percentage of your daily expected receivables. So let's talk about rate here for a second, because I know that's always what comes up in a loan. Well, how much is the rate? How much is the rate? Short-term loans are fee-based loans, okay? No lender's going to give you a $100,000 loan over 72 months. It's an SBA type of thing. So when you take out a business revenue loan, you must be doing it for one reason, and that reason must be because you believe that you can ROI. You must believe that whatever amount is deposited into your bank account, you can turn a profit on. Let me give you an example, okay? This is actually a live example, but a guy who owns a restaurant needed a $10,000 piece of equipment, okay? thought that it would allow him to bring in anywhere from $25,000 to $3,000 a month into his business bank account every single month once he got this piece of equipment. So he got the $10,000. He had to pay back $12,500 on the loan. Do you think that he cared about paying $12,500 back on the loan if he was going to be generating $3,000 more a month for perpetuity as long as he's in business? No, he's not going to care. So when you go and you're discussing these types of loans with any senior financial advisor at Bentley Capital, you need to understand that these types of loans, you better be able to ROI or the loan doesn't make sense. We're very upfront about that, okay? Because we don't compare ourselves to a bank. You're not going to be paying 5-6% interest. That's not the way it works. But it is a fee-based loan, and if you can make a profit on this type of loan, then it's a smart business decision. So it's designed to be a short-term loan. Will you ROI on the investment? And if you can, it is worth the loan. So once the funds are deposited into your business bank account, the very next day, the bank will start withdrawing a daily deposit. Monday through Friday, no weekends, no holidays. The goal here is really for you to handle the daily payment, okay? Because if you can handle the daily payment and it allows you to turn that profit, you're going to be in a position to where you can start to turn anything that you might be able to ROI on in a few short days, and then the math of the deal makes sense. So that's pretty much business revenue. That's pretty much the way the loan works. It's not rocket science. We do a lot of loans every day because it makes a lot of sense for business owners who need cash and who can generate profit based off the cash that is infused into the business bank account. I do want to make one quick note about re-upping. Many of our partners will allow the business owner to, quote, re-up once 50% of the loan balance is paid off. So if you take out a $10,000 loan, once you pay back $5,000 on that loan, you're eligible for up to 125% of the original principal. The loan amount goes up, the rate goes down. That's a fact. That is the way these loans work. It's just like a relationship, okay? If you were to start lending to somebody that you didn't know, but then over time you learned that they could pay you back, you would be more comfortable. That's the exact same way that lending institutions work. So just wanted to give you a quick overview of business revenue lending and how that works at Bentley Capital. I encourage you to visit our website, BentleyCapitalVentures.com. You can come and visit a few of our other products here. But I encourage you to give us a call. The number's right here, 855-249-2050, and at least speak to one of our senior funding managers to find out if this type of product makes sense for you. Thanks for watching this video.